I'm Stephanie Polakowski, my husband.
Dave Polakowski.
We've lived in Portage Park, Chicago now since we bought the home in December of 2018. So when we moved in, the major issue was pink. The whole house was Pepto-Bismol pink, including the windows. The windows were almost painted shut with pink. They also had some cracks in the window panes because, as you can see, there's 6 panels to the windows and they're very fragile windows. So we initially saw the cracks, we saw the pink, and they were also very covered in drapery. So there was like a huge wooden panel over the windows, and they didn't seem weatherproof to us. We both fell in love with the way these windows open out, especially in the summer, the breeze comes through, and we just decided we couldn't part with them. So we decided, time to take on the project. We had to start taking the sill part, there's 6 of them. We decided to take those down one at a time, and my father, Keith Winberg, very instrumental in this whole process. He suggested adding weather stripping, and that has helped tremendously with the wind. Then realized we needed to update these fine details. Some of them were decaying from the layers of like oil-based paint from all the years. And some of them he used like epoxy, and he kind of let it dry, and then he would shape it out to look like the original detail of it. He stripped them down so that I could then paint them, or we decided to paint them, same color that we want to get started on the exterior of the home. We took the original hardware down, and then I painted those by hand. While this project isn't that expensive, it was very, very time consuming. So I would say like patience, willingness, and time. Those are the 3 things we needed.
I honestly love the curtain rods inside of the window, so that even when we have these windows open, what used to happen is when we had the hardware on the outside, when you open the window, it would be just wide open. So what we like about this is we can kind of bring this open. You're still getting some really great light too.
Personally, I just love that this whole south wall is window. And I love that they open into the room. I just love the visual appearance of these windows. I think this is like the focal point of the entire house.